Barnacles, algae, and biofouling build up silently, creating a thick layer that can significantly slow down ships, increase fuel consumption, and lead to higher maintenance costs over time. Regular cleaning is essential. Even minor fractures can compromise structural integrity. Dents and hidden damage can also pose serious risks. Regular inspections are crucial to ensure your vessel remains safe and seaworthy. Underwater surveys reveal peeling paint, rust, and weak spots. These inspections are crucial for maintaining the vessel's integrity. Identifying issues early prevents costly repairs and ensures the ship's safety. Regular maintenance extends the ship's lifespan. Get crystal clear visuals and expert assessments from Nereus Subsea. Our advanced technology ensures thorough inspections, providing you with reliable data and peace of mind. Trust Nereus Subsea for your underwater inspection needs.